Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the subject with simple shapes to lock proportions quickly. Use a light 2H or HB pencil and sketch circles, squares, and triangles where major masses sit. Once the structure is clear, refine intersections and check relative sizes. Make sure to keep strokes loose so erasing is easy. If working for a class demo, place the focal point within 1/3 of the composition. This early mapping saves time and prevents major redraws later. You now convert the blocked shapes into clean contours, tracing confident lines over the best guides while erasing the rest. Once done, locate reference points like eyes or horizon to keep everything aligned. Measure with your pencil if unsure. Make gradual value changes by layering hatching or soft blending. This builds form without losing line clarity. For classroom pacing, demonstrate one area in full detail, while leaving others simplified to show process without finishing every part. You finish by strengthening final lines with a 2B or 4B and preserving highlights with a kneaded eraser. Step back and view the drawing at arm's length to catch proportion errors. Make light corrective edits rather than heavy erasing. Once satisfied, add selective contrast to guide the viewer's eye. If things go wrong, simplify the problem area to its basic shapes, reset values with gentle lifting, and increase focal contrast to hide minor inaccuracies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.